Hi there guys, it's Dan here from BBQ Land, the UK specialist barbecue retailer in Hertfordshire. Today what we're going to be doing on this cook, we've got a beautiful Copas Turkey free range that we're going to be spatchcocking, rubbing, putting a barbecue rub on and then getting it on the Traeger Pro 575. And what we're doing as well, we're doing an offer. So on selected barbecue bundles from BBQ Land, you'll get a free 5 kilogram turkey from Copas themselves, delivered to your door just in time for Christmas. So let's get the Traeger fired up and prep our turkey. So we're going to be cooking it around about 200 degrees C. Hit the ignite. We've got some apple pellets in there at the minute. So now that's preheating, I'll take you over and we'll get the turkey prepped. So first things first, we're going to cut the string off. Just like so. I'm going to flip it over. We're going to sort of like take out the spine. Like so. And we want to cut the breastbone so we can open it up. And we can flip it over. Squash it down, just like so. And we have our spatchcock turkey. Just hit it with a little bit of olive oil. Get it all over the skin. Turkey over, a little bit more, we're going to be using butt rub. This is a very savoury rub, which is quite nice and salty, so it should go very well with this turkey. And there we have it. We're just going to let that sit until our grill comes up to temperature and then we'll get it on. Right, so now we're in there, and shut the lid, let the Traeger do all the work. We're going to come back in about an hour. Right, we've been about an hour now, so let's have a look. Looking lovely. Starting that goldening of the skin. So now we've got that, we're going to just turn the Traeger down to about 180 degrees now, and then we're going to leave that to fully cook through. What we'll do, we'll come back in another hour and we'll check it and see how we're doing. Right, so we've been just over 2 hours now. Let's have a look. Looking lovely. That skin is looking nice and crispy. So we've been about 3 hours now and we're going to check it. It's looking lovely. Took on a great colour. Got my thermopen here. I'm going to check out the temperature. 73 degrees. Check it in another place. 75, 76. In the thigh, 95. So I'm going to call this done. So we're going to get this off and get it rested for about half an hour and we'll have a look and carve a little piece. Carve a little bit off and see how we did. Beautiful. Look how juicy that is. Right then guys, that's the cook done with this beautiful Copas free range turkey that we have spatchcocked and put it and cooked it all on the Traeger 575 over some apple pellets using the butt rub. This was around just about 7 kilo turkey. It took about 3 hours, obviously about an hour resting time as well. We're doing a deal on certain barbecue bundles. You're going to get a free 5 kilo free range bronze turkey from Copas themselves. They're going to be delivering it to your door in time for Christmas, so don't forget that offer. It's a fantastic offer. They're bloody good turkeys. Check out all our other videos on YouTube, subscribe. We have loads of content that we'll be bringing out, so keep your eyes peeled and I'll see you next time. Cheers.